talk about Sunni versus Shia. What we're really talking about is Muslim versus Muslim, brother versus brother, sister versus sister. We're so blinded by our differences that we don't see what unites us. Here we are, 1.6 billion Muslims, a fifth of humanity, Sunni and Shia, with the same God, the same Prophet, the same book, the same Kaaba, and yet we allow politics, geopolitics, tribalism, racism to blind us to that sameness.
Our God is one, our Prophet is one, our Qiblah is one, our book is one. We are one Ummah under Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.